Yes, go ahead.
Right. Okay. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. When you wake up, take a second to think about what a privilege it is to simply be alive and healthy, especially in this time, during this time of pandemic, right? The moment we start acting like life is a blessing, I assure you it will start to feel like one. A very warm and pleasant namaskar to all of you. Today, I, Sarika, accord a hearty welcome to respected Vice Principal of the Vidyalaya, Ma'am Somdata Bhattacharya, our eminent keynote speaker today, CA Piyush Arora, worthy colleagues, and my dear students in today's webinar, which focuses on the theme CA as a career, how to begin. Is being organized by Jain Bharati Mrigavati Vidyalaya in association with GMV OSA, right? Chartered accountancy has been one of the most popular career choices in India. This profession is not easy to get into, but if you manage to do it, it offers a great career path, salary, and respect among people. And if you are determined and dedicated, nothing is impossible. So, with this thought, I would like to extend a very convivial welcome to one and all present here. So, before commencing the webinar, let's pray to the Almighty to bestow the
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar upon all of us. So, let's start the Namokar Mahamantra. I request all of you to take position for Namokar Mahamantra. Thank you all. Now it's time to familiarize all of you with the keynote speaker of the day. It's indeed a great privilege and pleasure to introduce to you the alumni CA Piyush Yadav present amongst us. Piyush Arora. Piyush Arora amongst us. Piyush Arora is ACA, MCOM, BCom, certified GST expert, motivational speaker, has worked across India, Indian and US based MNCs. He is capable, confident, knowledgeable, and has made us proud by his achievements and accomplishments in numerous capacities. So let's have this unique opportunity to listen to him. So dear students, please join me in welcoming CA Piyush Arora in today's webinar. All of you are requested to give a big clap to him. So now I request CA Piyush Arora to further proceed the session. Over to you, Piyush.
A very big thank you to ma'am. Yeah, so firstly, I'd like to tell a brief about myself. Then we'll decide the agenda for today's webinar, and then accordingly I'll proceed further. So good morning, everyone. I'm Piyush Arora. I'm a chartered accountant by profession and a motivational speaker by passion. So firstly, I would like to thank all the teachers who have approached me, I'd never expected that like the teachers remember us even after 10, 12, 13 years. So it's been a privilege. So the agenda for today's webinar is how to begin for CA as a career now. So in this webinar, I would be covering various topics. So here I will firstly speak about, I'll not only speak about the CA only, I'll tell you other career options as well as available to us that is apart from this CA. And then we'll also discuss about the current COVID-19 time. So how this has impacted us and what all you can do in this time so as to utilize this time in a more efficient manner. And then I'll also discuss about, obviously since CA is my forte, so I'll be speaking about like my life, like how I went into the CA, and then what were the hardships, what were the struggles, challenges that I have faced, and how has the life been now after qualifying this degree, the CA degree. So let's start. Let's start one by one. So like right now, as I have been informed that the students here are majorly of class 11th and 12th and all the worthy teachers here. So let's talk about what all are the career now, since the ones you know, we'll only talk about what you can do after you cross your class 12th. So there will be many career options available to you. CA is not the only option for commerce students. There are so many other options. So we'll talk about all these options one by one. So once you cross your class 12th, so then you'll have wide variety of courses available with you. So you can do a simple graduation, that is a BCom, and then after that you can do your MBA after that, or you can do a post graduation, that is MCom. So there are various options available with you. It's not only a CA. So you can also go for LLB. You can LLB. So this is recognized by the Bar Council of India. You can become an advocate. Then after that, you can practice in the field of, company law, family laws, this civil laws, criminal laws. So there are LLB is also one such option available with you. CA is an option. So this obviously we'll discuss in detail. Then there is also a course by name of company secretary. That is, we call it a CS course. So CS course, so every private limited company which is having a paid up capital of more than 10 crore rupees, so they are required to mandatorily have a whole-time company secretary. So CS is also, so those CS basically deals in all the company law matters. So you'll have to identify the interest. So there are various other options available to you as well. Like you can also go for this BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, or you can also go for BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies. There are various other professional courses available to you as well, like cost accountant. So for this, a cost accountant, what does a cost accountant does? So it basically audits the company's cost accounting records. So let's say if you purchase a mobile phone, so somebody must be there who will be calculating what would be the cost, what should be the cost of that product in order to meet with the competition. So a cost accountant helps us with that, so in determining the appropriate pricing of that product. Then you can also, so apart from these courses, like you are doing graduation, post-graduation, you can also go for this civil services right after your class 12. So civil, so you must have heard that there are various, these IAS officer, IPS officers, so even, and IRS officers, you can also go for UPSC option. So UPSC option is also there. You can also, so you must have heard about income tax inspectors are there. Like some of your friends might be one of them. So how do you go there? Income tax inspector agar aapko banna hai, so you need to clear this SSC exam, SSC CGL exam. So you can start preparing for that. So I mean, apart from the normal course, there are several other options available to you as well, because I have commerce here. So then you can jump into any field, because science में है, so then non medical में है, तो person will go for BTech और इन सब चीजों के लिए जाएगा. But commerce के पास commerce once you have chosen commerce, so then you have got wide variety of options available with you. Now if we have some economics students here, so you can also go for BA honors in economics or BSc honors in economics. You can also go for Bachelor of Business Economics. Then after that you can do a master's in business master's in economics as well. And apart from that, now if you have interest in numbers, so there is one more option available with you, that is actuarial sciences. So those who are interested in statistics, data analysis, those who have who want to analyze the like the risk associated in various sectors like finance sector, insurance sector, banking sector. So actuaries provide a risk analysis of this. So this is also one of the toughest courses that is available with us. So so I have told you a few basic options that would be available to you after you cross your class 12. So now there will be other courses. So once you start preparing now itself, as in what career I want to have after my class 12. Right. So if you'll start planning today, and you'll start developing interest, you'll start exploring options, then you will eventually get to know, okay, these all are the options available to me, and this is where I can put in my best efforts there. So now let us discuss about how to choose. How to choose what course should I go for. So now since I've told you various courses that are available with you, you can also how you will choose what course. I think there's some disturbance.
I request the students to mute themselves. Kanika, kindly mute yourself, bache. Kanika, all of you, please keep your mic on mute. Thank you so much. Yes.
So now I've told you, like after once you cross your class 12, so there are various options available with you. Now how will you decide, like, so since there are so many options available with you, so now how will you decide what course should I go for? So for deciding what course you should go for, you have to keep in mind various factors. So first of all, you need to decide what is your area of interest. So you have to do a self-realization. Okay, so now this is my area of interest. This is what I love doing. So, and what are the courses that suit my interest area? And then obviously you have to see what would be the value of that degree, what life you want to live after once you complete that course. What is the life that you're going to get? And obviously you cannot ignore the monetary factors. So like the job, the course that you're going to do, so that must pay you well as well. So you have to see the job prospects as well. So it's job prospects as well. So don't just go for any course or any degree by what your friends are doing. Don't do this. See, life में हमेशा सिर्फ दो ही ऐसे persons होते हैं जो कि चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे हमसे आगे बढ़े. So first one are the parents, second one are the teachers. So अगर आपको टीचर्स बोलते हैं कि जैसे अभी आपका स्टडी टाइम है, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर वो आपको बोल रहे हैं कि यू हैव टू डू कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क, यू हैव टू क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड बेसिक्स क्लियर करो, क्योंकि ये सब बेस है. अगर आप अभी से बेस क्लियर करके चलोगे, देन यू विल गेट टू नो कि आगे बहुत आसानी होगी इन सब चीजों को इम्प्लीमेंट करने में. सो डोंट गो बाय, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि डोंट गो बाय योर 12th क्लास परसेंटेज कि मेरे को अब मेरी 12th में I've got 95%, so I'll go for the CA या फिर ऐसे कोई कोर्सेज करूंगा मैं. Don't go by the 12th class percentage. See what is my area of interest. मुझे लाइफ किस लाइन में मुझे आगे लाइफ बनानी है. And do have good networks. जो अपने सीनियर्स होते हैं स्कूल में, like let's say अभी आप 11th में हो, तो you can be in touch with your class 12 students. Our network is our net worth. Always remember this. So be always be connected with them. कि उनसे पूछते रहो कि ओके भैया आप कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो, या आपने ये वाला कोर्स किया है आपने, तो क्या इसमें करियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड योर पैशन. आपको ये ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा, ये कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है कि आप कौन से कोर्स में आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, अपना पैशन ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा आपको, फिर देन आपको कभी भी किसी के लिए काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. सो देन यू विल एंजॉय व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. एंड ये तो आपने सुना ही है कि जीवन का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. सो लोगों की तो बिल्कुल नहीं सुननी है. यू हैव टू ओनली लिसन टू योरसेल्फ कि मेरे को ये वाला कोर्स करना है. ट्राई टू कन्विंस योर पेरेंट्स कि ये कोर्स है. नाउ इट कैन बी एनी कोर्स कि ये मेरे को ये कोर्स है एंड इसमें मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है एंड आई वांट टू परस्यू दिस कोर्स. सो पेरेंट्स वोंट से यू नो ऑन दिस. ठीक है. So now let's start with my journey. So now I passed out my class 12th in March 2009. So now in CA we have three levels. So first one is CPT, then there is an IPCC, and then there is a final level. So first one is the basic level, then there is the intermediate level, and then there is this final level. So if you want to go for the CA, so then you'll need to cross all three levels, plus you need to complete a 3 years of articleship training, wherein you go to a CA and you get to learn the practical work that you will be eventually doing after you complete your CA. So in March 2009 when I crossed, so I was very confused कि अच्छा अब आगे क्या करना है. Now जैसे ही 12th हो गई थी, so in March, so since my cousins were also CA, they guided me कि okay, this is a course that will give you respect, that will give you money, and इसका अच्छा career prospect है. So I decided, and then since those were already qualified, so I decided okay, I can do this course. Even though I knew that this is a tough course. For your knowledge, only 380,000 CAs are there till date. Like from 1949, by the time our institute was made, only 380,000 CAs are there out of 130 crore population. So you can understand the value and the respect you will get once you complete this course. So I'll brief you about a little bit about the 3 stages that and what all the problems and how the examination pattern is there in this. So first level is CPT, wherein there are 4 subjects. So and right now at our time it was all objective, but now 2 subjects are objective and 2 subjects are subjective. So you'll have to write the exams, right? So and you can take the coachings for them. You can so I decided to take coaching for the CPT from my tuition teachers itself. From whom I have like I taken coaching for accountancy and mathematics from in my time. So but there are specialized coachings also available for this. So those are basically 3 months duration courses, and then you can once you complete this, you can appear for the this exam. So in March 2009 I cleared my 12th, and in June 2009 I gave CPT and I cleared it in my first attempt. So that gave me the confidence that okay, अगर CPT हो सकती है. So because जैसे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ते जाओगे levels tough होते जाएंगे. तो अब फिर मेरे को first attempt में when I cleared the CPT, the foundation stage, so then I gained confidence कि okay, I can do मतलब अब मैं आगे कर जाऊंगा. But then जैसे ही आप आगे बढ़ोगे, you will see more hurdles. Then you will see कि अच्छा यार मतलब it's not that easy. You'll have to put in more efforts there. So once I crossed this first level, then I decided then I took on the second level, IPCC level. So for this, so those are the so these all will be the new subjects for you which you have never studied. So for this I took coachings. People also do self study for this. So there were 7 subjects in that. So my examinations were 1 year due, one year due post my the result of CPT came. So I decided that okay, I'll go to Lakshmi Nagar. So that is known as the hub of CA coachings. So I went there, I took coachings there, and then we studied for long hours. So there also the coachings are also not the same like the way you do. So now so there the coachings are of like if you take one subject, so then the coachings will be of around 4 hours for one subject. So you can understand that you'll have to develop that kind of attitude, and okay, like this is how the classes go on. So I'll have to do this these long hours of coachings, right? So plus uske saath saath you will have to IPCC ke baad you have to start with your final course, and then you'll after that you will be starting your final course as well. So I took 2 attempts to clear my IPCC because CA जो CA कर रहे होते हैं, because failure is an inevitable part of the CA life because the results are so less, so you have to be very patient कि आपको बहुत पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा कि अगर एक बार ही मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया है तो देन अब तो यहाँ से अगर आप हिम्मत हार जाओगे बीच में तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट दिस कोर्स बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी केसेस ऑफ यू विल सी ड्रॉप आउट्स. सो अगर कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा और आप अगर लगे रहोगे सो इवेंचुअली यू विल क्लियर. सो मिनिमम दिस इज द 4.5 years course, but maximum there is no limit. People even take 15 years to complete this course. So I was lucky enough. I completed this course well in time. So इसी बात पे now एक शायरी सुनाना चाहूँगा. मैं जोश हूँ और हिम्मत बेहिसाब हूँ. मैं जोश हूँ और हिम्मत बेहिसाब हूँ. मैं कई बार हारा हूँ, शायद इसलिए मैं आज कामयाब हूँ. Yeah. So this is it. So इसमें आपको देखो पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. और इसमें अगर आप सीए में यू वांट टू सक्सीड, सो आपने वो सुना ही होगा कि अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा अचीव करना है जो आपने आज तक अचीव नहीं किया है तो आपको कुछ ऐसा करना होगा जो आपने आज तक नहीं किया है. सो यू विल हैव टू डिवोट मोर पेशेंस, मोर आवर्स ऑफ स्टडीज एंड बहुत ज्यादा आपको एफर्ट्स डालने पड़ेंगे. ये इतनी आसानी से कोर्स नहीं होगा. यू विल हैव टू फेलियर से भी आपको डील करना आना चाहिए. Otherwise you'll end up quitting this course, which would वो जब करने के 3 से 4 साल बाद you'll regret then. So इसलिए make up your mind, and if you want to do it, so please do it. So once I cleared my CPT, IPCC, then I went into this final course. A final course में you have to do coachings plus you have to manage your office together. So that means सुबह उठ के आप 6 बजे कोचिंग के लिए जाओगे, 10 बजे तक कोचिंग करोगे. 10 बजे you will go from your coaching to your office. वहां पे 6 बजे तक you will do your office, and after that you have an again coaching कि 6 बजे 6:30 से लेके 9:30 बजे तक you have another coaching. Now you can understand how hectic it will become. So there will be many problems as well, and आपको ये दोनों को manage करके चलना होगा अगर आप if you decide to go for this course. So because practical exposure is also necessary. Like let's say you must have heard कि आपके parents income tax returns भरते हैं, GST. हम जैसे मोबाइल फोन्स खरीदते हो तो उस पे GST लगता है. तो इन सब का हिसाब किताब जो भी होता है वो सब कौन रखता है? Majorly those are CAs. There are also accountants, but मेजर इनके पास रहता है. तो कि आपको इनकम टैक्स का रिफंड लेना है, जैसे इनकम टैक्स आपका ज्यादा घट जाता है, ITR भरनी है, ऑडिट्स होते हैं आपके, इनकम टैक्स रिलेटेड काम होता है. सो ये सब भी आपको सीखना होगा. सो अब नाउ आई विल टेल यू कि आप आर्टिकलशिप में जाओगे तो उसके बाद आपको वहां पे क्या क्या काम सीखने को मिलेगा. सो आपको जितना टैक्सेशन का काम होता है, आप इससे यू कैन डिसाइड कि अच्छा मुझे अगर लोगों की इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल करनी है, सो दैट मींस आई कैन, अगर मैं इसके साथ जाऊंगा तो मेरे पास डिग्री भी होगी, आई विल हैव द नॉलेज एज वेल, एंड देन आई कैन क्रिएट वैल्यू एंड अर्न मनी फ्रॉम दिस. So you can get to learn about, in the articleship you can get to learn about your taxation, balance sheet. जैसे आप balance sheet अभी class 12th में you prepare. So now अब ये balance sheet आपको किसी कंपनी के लिए बनानी है. So how you will prepare it? उस टाइम में वो complications बहुत ज्यादा होती हैं. यहाँ पे तो it's simple क्योंकि आपको पता है कि okay these are the adjustments, इसको हमें यहाँ दिखाना है, इसको यहाँ दिखाना है, ये balance sheet का format है, ये statement of profit and loss है, ये सब आपको बनाना है. तो these are simple one. But then practical life में जब आओगे, so life is not that simple but not that complicated, right? So you'll get to learn in this your articleship period, you'll get to learn about GST, you'll get to learn about transfer pricing, valuations. जैसे अभी क्या होता है, एक कंपनी दूसरी कंपनी को ओवरटेक करती है, so these are called acquisitions. So इनकी valuation कैसी होगी, कितने प्राइस पे उस कंपनी को खरीदना है, so ये सब काम कौन करता है? ये सब काम CAs करते हैं. देन आर्टिकलशिप जैसे आप करते हो, सो उस टाइम पे भी यू विल हैव टू डिसाइड कि आपको आर्टिकलशिप कहाँ से करनी है. सो देयर आर सम मिड लेवल फर्म्स, देन देयर आर सम बिग लेवल फर्म्स. सो मिड लेवल फर्म्स में उसमें क्या होता है कि यू विल गेट टू लर्न एवरीथिंग, एज इन आपको इनकम टैक्स का काम सीखने मिलेगा, ऑडिट्स मिलेंगे, सर्विस टैक्स मिलेगा, टेली में अकाउंटिंग मिलेगी, एंड देन जितना भी आपको बैलेंस शीट फाइनलाइजेशन का मिलेगा, ऑडिट्स करने को मिलेंगे. बट अगर आप बिग 4 फर्म्स में जाओगे, सो देन योर रोल विल बी स्पेसिफिक कि आपको कुछ, जैसे मान लो आपको जीएसटी में आपको डाल दिया, सो देन यू विल बी डूइंग जीएसटी फॉर दोज 2 years or 3 years, right? Then so these all are the practical work that you will do. So now I'll tell you कि अच्छा उस टाइम पे हमने struggles या sacrifices क्या रहे हैं हमारे, मतलब आप करोगे अगर, so then struggles क्या रहेंगी आपकी, आपको दिक्कतें कहाँ आएगी. So you'll have to manage with these long study periods. आपको लंबे टाइम तक पढ़ना होगा, आपका रूटीन इतना हेक्टिक रहेगा that you'll not be able to imagine कि सुबह से लेकर रात तक 7 दिन, मतलब एटलीस्ट 6 days आपका ऐसा रूटीन चल रहा है. तो how you will manage, and लोग मैनेज करते हैं और हो जाता है, ऐसी प्रॉब्लम वाली कोई बात नहीं है. So you'll have to manage your studies as well. ये नहीं कि कोचिंग्स पे आप पढ़ के आए उसके बाद आके उसको घर पे रिवाइज भी करना है, तो उसके लिए you'll need time कि कैसे उसको अब मैनेज करना है, और लोग करते हैं, ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फैमिली फंक्शंस, इवन आई हैव मिस्ड माय फैमिली फंक्शंस एट वेरियस ओकेजन्स की वो नहीं हो पाते हैं, मतलब these are some things you have to compromise on your sleep as well. कभी कभी you'll have to compromise on your sleep as well. So these are the struggles. So now अब बात करते हैं कि अच्छा आप सीए बन जाओगे तो लाइफ कैसी होगी. नाउ अब अगर इससे आपको डिसाइड करने में हेल्प करेगा कि अच्छा अगर मैं बन जाता हूँ तो अब मेरे को कैसा करने को मिलेगा. सो नाउ द रियल स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट्स. अभी तक तो आप पढ़ रहे थे, नाउ आई विल कॉल यू दिस स्कूल लाइफ इज योर बेस्ट लाइफ. आपको इतना ज्यादा अभी इसमें एफर्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करने पड़ते हैं, आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है. अभी आपको पैसे नहीं कमाने. एक बार वंस यू रीच इनटू दिस, तो जब पैसे कमाने की बारी आएगी, so then the real struggle starts. तो सीए के बाद you can do your job, जॉब कर सकते हो जैसे नॉर्मल हर कोई करता है, और you can go into your own practice. आप अपने क्लाइंट्स बना सकते हो. So उसमें then you can earn money from there. So my first so I had done two jobs at like till now. So one was with the US based MNC, and second now is with one of the big 4 consulting firms. So there we get to learn about अच्छा वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट कैसा होता है, वर्किंग कल्चर कैसा होता है, आपको ब्रांड नेम मिलता है, अच्छे अच्छे क्लाइंट्स मिलते हैं, देन उनकी आपको ऑडिट्स करनी होती है, टैक्सेशन करना होता है. देन उसके बाद यू ऑब्वियसली देयर विल बी प्रेशर सिचुएशंस, वहां पे भी होगी, बट इन दैट इन टर्न यू गेट अ मंथली सैलरी फॉर दैट, राइट. So now since this is the COVID time, so हमें इस time को भी अच्छे से, now I'm switching over from this CA life to this COVID time. So I've written something about this COVID time. So hope you all will like it. So never ever we have seen such a mess in our life. The air is pure, but wearing a mask is mandatory. Roads are empty, but it is impossible to go on a long drive. People have clean hands, but there is a ban on shaking hands. Friends have time to sit together, but they cannot get together. The cook inside you is crazy, but you cannot call anyone to lunch or dinner. Those who have money have no way to spend it. Those who don't have any money have no way to earn it. The culprit is all around, but cannot be seen. So you can see the world full of irony. So you have to be positive in this time, but you have to be COVID test negative. Right. So now how you can utilize this COVID-19 time. So we'll also cover this. So you can start reading. So books are always your best friends. So even if once you start, you'll get to learn a lot from your books. You can also develop various hobbies. You can learn dancing, cooking, various other things, music, painting, writing. You can start so many things. You can also like इस time पे, this is the time that no one expected कि अच्छा ऐसा time आ जाएगा. So इस time पे you'll have to calm down yourself, do some meditation, yoga. अपने आप के fitness पे you'll have to work on. इस time पे you can focus much more on your fitness, because ये time दोबारा नहीं आएगा. अगर आपको कुछ नए courses भी सीखने हैं, so you can learn those courses. आप अपना एक quality time होता है ना, जो अपने आप के साथ, जो हम like even all the teachers who have been thinking कि हमें time ही नहीं मिलता है, we have to, हमें students को manage करना पड़ता है, हमें घर पे भी time manage करना पड़ता है, वो हो नहीं पाता है. So आज आपको time मिल रहा है, so you can utilize all these courses. So इस point पे I like to tell one शायरी. So सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे. नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे. So इस COVID-19 टाइम को you'll have to utilize it very effectively. So now I'll tell you कि हमारे पास अब इस टाइम पे, अब मैंने बता दो दिया कि कोर्सेज कर लो या कुछ कर लो. अब कौन कौन से कोर्सेज अब you can do. आप you can simply go on YouTube, type some like best courses for you for students during this lockdown time. So आपको courses मिल जाएंगे उसमें. There are various free websites. वहां से क्या होता है कि आपको you can write it down if you want. Like there is one website Coursera, COURSERA, Coursera. वहां पे बहुत सारे free online courses available है. Udemy is also there. अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स को जाके कहोगे कि पापा आई वांट टू गो फॉर दिस कोर्स, मुझे टाइम मैनेजमेंट मेरे से नहीं हो पाता है, जैसे एग्जाम में मेरे को टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत दिक्कत होती है, लर्न अबाउट दिस, थोड़ा उसके बारे में सीखो. जैसे अगर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में दिक्कत है, जैसे स्टेज पे ऑडियंस के सामने बोलना होता है, स्कूल में स्टेज पे बोलना होता है, सो देन यू हैव मतलब आपको बोलने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो then learn about this. Coursera is a website, Udemy is a website, Khan Academy is a website. You can type on Google Digital Garage. There are so many free courses available. You can learn about machine learning. जैसे अभी आजकल सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स होती हैं, या फिर वॉइस रिकग्निशन की वॉइस, मतलब आप जैसे मोबाइल में बोलते हैं वॉइस रिकग्निशन हो जाता है, उससे आपकी आवाज वो टाइप इन हो जाता है व्हाट्सएप पे. सो अगर आप इन सब के बारे में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ध्यान दोगे तो देन यू विल फील मोर हैप्पियर. आपको तो कुछ, क्योंकि जब बंदा सीखता रहता है, सो देन he get to learn, enhance his knowledge, so then he gets to learn a lot. You can learn about your English. There are so many courses. वहां पे आपको 2 घंटे के, मतलब 2 घंटे के कोर्सेज भी होते हैं, 2 से 10 घंटे के, 10 से 20 घंटे के, 20 से ऊपर के आवर्स के कोर्सेज होते हैं. so then you can learn a lot from them. जो बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज है, जैसे बाहर की ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है, येल यूनिवर्सिटी है यूएस की, या फिर स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है, वहां के सारे कोर्सेज आपको यहाँ पे फ्री में मिल रहे हैं. इफ यू वांट द व्हाट्सएप लिंक, मतलब उनके बारे में अगर आपको वेबसाइट्स वगैरह जाननी है, तो यू कैन टेक माय नंबर फ्रॉम रुचि मैम और माय ईमेल आईडी. I'll send you those courses, right? So इस टाइम पे you'll have to, मतलब थोड़ा सा, जैसे I know mind डाइवर्ट होता है, तो you go after WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, ऑनलाइन गेमिंग. so इन सब को छोड़ के अगर आपको टीचर्स बोल रहे हैं कि यार कुछ अच्छा सीखो, so you can learn a lot. So this is it, I guess. This webinar is till 11:55, so I have one more topic, like I can tell you about time management, if you allow me, like owing to the time availability. I can also speak about that. You're on mute, sorry sir.
Less than a minute is left actually. It's showing me less than a minute.
So no problem. So we'll talk about this time management somewhat other time. Just record. Yeah. So I would like to thank everyone for attending this webinar. In case you have any problems, you can take my contact number and my email ID from Ruchi ma'am or Saroj ma'am, and I'll be happy to help you in case you need any help in future as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush. It was really informative, very interesting session. We are really thankful to you. And now it's time to propose vote of thanks. We would like to get back to you. It was a wonderful session. So let's start giving glory to Almighty for bestowing this eternal blessings upon us. Next, I express my gratitude to our motherland. Then I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our senior in charge, Mr. Yogesh Kumar, my colleagues, dear students, and of course to you for inspirational presence. Thank you very much. It was really indeed a wonderful session. Even I
Thanks
learned
a lot, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks a lot, ma'am. I'll be happy to help in case in
God bless you. Namaskar, dear. How are you?
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar. So good to see you, sir.
Great, beta. Same here, beta.
Rajesh sir is also there.
I will catch you somewhere in Narela, don't worry.
Absolutely, sir. I've been here from last 3 months.
Okay, yes, I can understand. Okay, beta.
Yeah.
Nice to hear from you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaskar.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.